Hi guys, Aaron from Dirty Cam RC. Today I'm going to try and fix my Maverick Strada. It's not been working now for about a month. If you haven't seen the video, go and check one of my previous videos out, and I did some pretty heavy bashing. Before the battery ran out, the day got cut short because I lost power to the car. It was still steering left and right, but wasn't going forward and backwards. So I had a look at it, and the red cable coming from the ESC to the XT60, it's come a little bit loose. So today I'm going to resolder it, and hopefully it fixes it. Right, so firstly, I just need to take off the electrical tape that's on this. Right, so try and get refocused. As you can see, the solder on there's come completely off. So firstly, I just want to pre-tin the soldering iron a little bit. And then just add a little bit of solder to the red cable. I'm also going to add some inside the XT60 connection, just so it bonds a little better. Right, so now these have both got solder on them, and I'm going to put them together now. Hopefully they'll heat back up together and slide in nicely. Right, so now that I've got the red cable into the XT60 connector, it's only got a little bit of solder holding it in, so I'm going to add a little bit more just to make it a stronger bond. Right, so now you can see that on both sides, bit of a messy job, but we've got a strong connection now of the solder. So I've not got any shrink tubing cable, so I'm going to use electrical tape just to insulate it, and then we can test it. Right, so now I'm just going to wrap that connection just insulate where I've soldered. So that's what the work I've just done with the insulation. Now I'm just going to connect my battery up and see if it works. Yep, it seems to be working.